Welcome. Today, we're diving into a quick and easy guide on how to add your high school on Discord, updated for the latest version. Let's get started. First, grab your Android device and open the Discord app. If you're not already logged in, go ahead and do that. Once you're in, look for your profile picture at the bottom right corner of the screen. Give it a tap. This will take you to your user settings. Next, tap on Edit Profile. This is where the magic happens. You'll see various options to customize your profile. Now, scroll down to the About Me section. Here, you can showcase a little more about yourself. Simply type in your high school name and make sure it's exactly how you want it to appear to your friends and community. Once you've added your high school, don't forget to hit that Save button. It's essential to ensure that your changes are applied. Now your friends and fellow Discord users can see where you're from and connect with you better. And there you have it. In just a few easy steps, you can add your high school to your Discord profile. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and happy Discording!